Now we're going to check out cabin 8086. It's an inside stateroom on the Oceania Riviera. This one here is Category G, and it can accommodate up to 2 guests, and again it's on deck 8. So there's no window, there is no balcony, and it's the lead-in cabin. But one thing I did note is that even though it's an inside cabin, it is a decent size. And what they've done is they've plonked a few mirrors around, and you've kind of got that feature behind the bed that almost looks like a window that you can draw, but obviously it's not. Taking a look at the bathroom, this is a small bathroom compared to the others, but it's a well-lit mirror, good sized sink. And we've got a shower recess in there. No bathtub, no shower curtain, which are always big bonuses for me. And then over here on the right, you obviously have your cupboard or storage area. And that's it for the inside stateroom.